Hi, this is Buddy named Suck from the forums. Sorry that this video sucks. Having a couple problems today. On my way home yesterday, my car died on me. I came home today and had to tow it home, and with everything going on, I just wanted a video recording of the noise this thing's making so everyone can tell what I'm talking about. Okay, minus the bell screeching. Things are a little torn apart right now. I had the valve covers off a second ago. Just want to know if anyone has any ideas what that might be. Thank you much.